Ayan, number 47. So, how much is your total sales for the year 2024 from January to December 2024? So, ayan, lalagay niyo for example, naka 500,000 kayo. Ayan, 500,000 sales. And then number 48 is the sales returns, allowances, and discounts. For example, nagbigay kayo ng discounts to your customers or may mga naisoli na mga products. So, dito nyo ilalagay yan. For example, 50,000. Ayan. So, next, kita nyo 49, automatic na siya nag-compute. This is your net sales na or revenue, receipts, and fees. So, yun, dineduct lang niyo yung ito, sales less sales returns, allowances, and discounts. So, next natin is if you have mga other non-operating income, dito nyo ilalagay. So, most probably, wala tayong other non-operating income. So, dito 52, 51, 52. Ayan, total none. Ayan, then zero kasi yung nilagay natin. So, zero yung number 52. Yung total other non-operating income natin. So, next is yung total taxable income natin. So, yung total taxable income natin, ayan, kung 8% kasi tayo, ayan, yan yung ating taxable income. That is yung sales less the sales return. So, 450. But the good news is, ito na yung good news. Sa 54 nakalagay dyan is the allowable reduction from gross sales. This is, again, purely for self-employed individuals and professionals in the amount of 250,000 pesos. So, ayan, huwag niyong kalimutan yan, di ba? Mortal sin yan pag hindi niyo nilagyan ng 250,000. Sayang naman. Ayan. So, yung taxable income natin is, yan, malaless yung 250,000. So, yung taxable income natin is just 200,000 ayan, pesos. And then, yung tax due natin, so 8% niyan is 16,000 pesos. Di ba? So, ito yung ating tax due for the year 2024, 16,000.